he wanted to do was get one duplicated, and he brought it to us. We scanned everything, and then the machine shop made all the parts. He actually made 5 because he wanted to ride with his friends.
About 5 million points.
So have you ever been to anything like this before?
No.
Have you?
No.
So you start to see the noise that happens. So everything is moving. We need to know that. We need to be able to measure that. Measuring aircraft, I used one of those trackers over there to scan this. It took me about a day and a half. Had 500,000 points when I was done.
What did you think it might have been like before you got here a couple hours ago?
Typically we do, for the Boys and Girls Club, we do a job shadowing, so I presumed it was going to be something related to that, but I didn't expect it to be something like this.
In what way? Like there was just more technology and more equipment than you expected?
Yes, like a lot more. I did not expect anything like this. This is like my first instance of hearing about this type of like measuring stuff, you know.
What Taylor has over here is a motorcycle.
Has anyone heard the word metrology before you got here?
Never heard that word in my life.
You know, a lot of people confuse metrology with meteorology. You know, it's the climate science. All right. So what was the coolest thing that you saw here today so far?
I think the thing that I found most interesting was the use of lasers. I didn't expect that for metrology, of course.
Yeah, it's funny. They can be used in so many different things. You know, like the scanning of the barcodes at the grocery stores, as well as fancy stuff like this. So, did maybe today's experience affect maybe the way you might look at potential careers or what you might do with the rest of your life?
I want to be a dental assistant and hygienist. So and then like how they can scan people has like helped see it a different way.
Well, you know, it's very interesting. I had a crown just put in, and they scanned it with the 3D inside the doctor's office, and then milled it right inside the doctor's office. And when I was your age, you had to wait 2 weeks for all that to happen.